Obwentebe kanisa zo kujaguza emyaka nkaga na gumo yo kwetegeka kwa Uganda ziri kugenda misho abahingi ba koko mu Bundibugyo no bagira ngo baganyirwemu by'obuhingi kuyiha abajungu barugo mu bwebembezi obwihangeri
banga sawa zino kilogramu eri ku mutwaro gumu na 10 koko tubakoze ki ebe kaze embisi ku kilogramu y'amazi tujigura nyarukaga obo nyarukaga embisi yano eyo musana gumu tujigura siringi 9 mutwaro eyo musana gumu misana 2 osanga tujigura mutwaro gumu no 10.
Robert Tebakunerwa mukuru w'entebe ya katano nagira ngo abatura bejumbiro mu kuhinga kokowa ekigiretire cyabe kingwa cyo mutano mu kutungura amakaga abantu.
Kokowa is a high value crop, is among the high value crops in the country, and the country is trying to adopt it to become one of its major cash crops. That's why we are encouraging the growing of cocoa all over the entire country, because a research was made that cocoa can grow everywhere because it's a forest tree.
Amakuru marunje habwa abahingi b'Ekihingwa eki no kugira ngo behandike isomo za company eziri kugura cocoa.
There is an establishment of cocoa buying companies. These cocoa buying companies have registered farmers, and whenever they want to make what we call traceability, they connect from the company up to the farmer. So this means that the farmer is able to produce the cocoa, maybe dry it, and directly sell to the company without any middle process there.
Abeto kizigo kitusanga mukoko omaze kugura koko beye etembere bagamba ngo koko beye igwira hasi icyo kizigo iki
takarwara ine ibintu bino bya greens bino nkamajomba bino hano koko teswa kumera habwe maps zerohweze nabo ikitokusabere government kintu eke kikorera research erole ibintu ebisa kubikoleta.
Acrobat Moses Chiza umunyishengero wishazeri yabo hendero mu district ya Bundibugyo nasima government kandi agishabiro kwombeka factory chwera bahinjaba.
I am happy with the government this financial year. There's some money which was appropriated, I think 10 billion was appropriated to go and kickstart that factory, and a visibility study was carried out by UDC, a team from UDC, a team from Ministry of Local Government, a team from Ministry of Agriculture, a team from Ministry of Trade, Industry and Cooperatives went on the ground for visibility study.
Tushirire company ya Esco Uganda Limited kugura cocoa kandi abantu bahiga bahinje ba cocoa okuhingira kimwe obwakatare kayo karukweyongera kuterera.
Gone further to train the farmers, and at least it is the reason as to why the prices have started rising a bit on the international level, because much of Bundibugyo cocoa was good. It was having 80.9%.
So if the government is to bring in a factory, to be of a great value to a farmer, because there you will find we've removed in these things of middlemen. You will find that your farmer is going direct to the factory selling. So would request the government to intervene, at least they bring for us a factory.
Currently, at least the price has increased a bit, because a kilo of organic cocoa is at between 10,000 and 12,000 now, a dry kilo.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
TV West netabarusya government n'abanya-Uganda mwena okwikaha kuzaguza emyaka nkaga na gumwe kwiha Uganda etungo kwetegeka. Ntubasima ahabo bahagizi n'obushagiki mwanyu okureba program zeitu n'amakuru gaitu. Hangara government, hangara abanya-Uganda mwena.